Before you drop cash on a knife-making belt grinder, there's one thing every product page hides: real durability under actual use. Most look tough online, but once you're grinding steel for hours, weak motors burn out, belts slip, and vibration ruins precision. Today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually hold up. Product number 1: Blissthrill Mini Belt Sander. First up is the Blissthrill Mini Belt Sander at $69.49. What caught my eye was its compact stainless steel build, and the fact it comes with 30 sanding belts and 20 disc papers, way more than most competitors. If you're a hobbyist who wants an all-in-one setup for knife sharpening, wood, or metal without spending big, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 775 motor runs from 4,000 to 9,000 RPM with 7 adjustable speeds, so you can go from rough shaping to fine polishing without switching tools. The 24-volt 7-amp power source delivers consistent torque even under load, which is crucial when you're removing material fast. Plus, the 15-degree sloped belt surface mimics professional sharpening angles, making edge work intuitive. Now, some people complained about the power adapter feeling loose, and honestly, I noticed that too. If you don't push it in fully, the machine won't respond. Here's the thing though, once secured, it runs stable. It's not a flaw in the motor or build, just a minor connection quirk. This is perfect for you if you're building your first home workshop or need a portable grinder for small projects. Skip this one if you're doing heavy-duty stock removal daily. It's built for light to moderate use. For under $70, it's solid value. Product number 2: VEVOR 30X1 Variable Speed Grinder. Next is the VEVOR belt grinder at $256.12, a serious step up. What stands out immediately is the VFD variable frequency drive, which lets you fine-tune speeds smoothly instead of jumping between preset levels. If you want precision control for heat-sensitive steels or detailed bevel work, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 550W pure copper motor runs at 5,500 RPM with a belt speed of 26 meters per minute, giving you both power and control. You can drop the speed for delicate finishing or ramp it up for fast material removal, something essential when working with high-carbon steel that warps under heat. The reinforced steel body and dual grinding modes, flat and circular, mean it handles everything from knife profiling to handle shaping. Over 300 sold last month shows real demand. Now, some users mention the instruction manual is vague, especially for mounting the workbench. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, the horizontal and vertical flexibility is unmatched. It's not beginner-friendly out of the box, but it's worth the setup time. This is perfect for you if you're serious about knife making and want a durable, adjustable machine. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only doing occasional sharpening. At $256, it's a solid mid-tier investment. Product number 3: Wen Benchtop Combo Sander. Now, if VEVOR's price made you pause, the Wen 6515T at $116.55 offers a different kind of value. It's a 2-in-1, a 1x 30-inch belt and a 5-inch disc sander. What grabbed me was the heavy-duty base, no wobbling, even during aggressive grinding. The miter gauge and dual dust ports are rare at this price, making cleanup easier and angles more precise. It comes with an 80 grit disc and 100 grit belt, so you can start right away. Plus, the 2-year warranty shows Wen trusts its build. With 300 plus sold monthly, it's a trusted workshop staple. Now, some reviewers said the belt tends to wander if not aligned perfectly. Here's the thing though, once you adjust the tracking, takes 5 minutes, it runs straight. It's not a design flaw, just a setup step beginners might miss. This is perfect for you if you want both belt and disc sanding without buying 2 machines. Skip this one if you need variable speed or plan to do full-time knife profiling. It lacks the finesse for advanced bevel work. Still, for under $120, it's a steal. Product number 4: Espestili Multifunction Sharpener. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one, Espestili's Multifunction Sharpener at $84.94, might actually be better for compact setups. It looks almost identical to the Bliss Thrill, but the 15-degree fixed slope is engineered specifically for knife edges, not just adapted from woodworking. The left and right grinding wheels let you switch from belt sanding to polishing fast, ideal for finishing Damascus or high-end kitchen knives. It includes shock-absorbing feet and can be bolted down so it stays put during heavy use. At just 6.3 inches long, it fits in tiny workshops. Now, some buyers reported the Allen wrenches are flimsy and strip easily. Here's the thing though, swap them for quality hex keys and the machine itself is rock solid. The flaw isn't in the grinder, it's in the accessories. This is perfect for you if you're making custom knives at home and need speed control in a small footprint. Skip this one if you're grinding large blades daily. It's built for detail, not brute force. For under $85, it's a smart pick. Product number 5, Bliss Thrill Multifunction Sander. Finally, we loop back to Bliss Thrill, but this version of their mini belt sander is nearly identical to the first one. Same $69.49 price, same 775 motor, same 30 belts and 20 discs. The only real difference? This listing emphasizes multifunction more, but the specs are virtually the same. It's still a great entry-level tool with strong RPM range, stainless build, and excellent accessory count. The 24-volt system gives it enough punch for steel without overheating on short runs. Over 100 sold this month shows steady demand. Now the flaw is the same loose power adapter, and honestly it's frustrating to see the same issue across multiple listings. Here's the thing though, at this price you're getting pro-level features in a consumer package. Just be ready to jiggle the plug once in a while. This is perfect for you if you want maximum accessories and don't mind minor quirks. Skip this one if you need reliability for daily use, go for VEVOR or WEN instead. But for occasional knife work, it's hard to beat the value. So which one wins? For beginners, Bliss Thrill or especially under $85. For serious makers, VEVOR's variable speed control. Need versatility, WEN's combo sander. And if you see the second Bliss Thrill, don't panic, it's the same tool. Remember, the best grinder isn't the fanciest, it's the one that fits your work style and actually lasts. Pick smart, grind steady.